Hello guys, and welcome back to dbtraders.com. Today I'll be taking you guys on how you can copy trades from a profitable trader into your account, or how you can let people copy your trades, and in that way you'll make an extra income when you come to an agreement with your clients. Assuming you trade and make $50 profits, and you had like 10 clients who were copying your trades, your clients will have made $500, including you. That's $550. Then for each client, whichever commission that you have agreed, he or she will send you your cut. Assuming for all your clients, you told them for each profit you generate, you split the profits halfway. So on the $50 that you made for all the clients, you get $25 for all the 10 clients. That's $250 plus the 50 that you made on your side, a total of $300. So that's how easily you can make an extra income from copy trading. And this is the procedure on how you can let people copy your trades, or how you can copy trades from a profitable trader. The right account, simply log in on appderiv.com or the official site deriv.com. And this is the procedure on how to get the API token that allows one to copy trades or allow people to copy your trades. Without this API token, copy trading can't happen. So once you log in on your official Deriv account, top left there are some 3 lines. You need to click on them. Then head over to account settings. Scroll down to API token. After that, select the scoops based on the access you need: read, trade, and trading information. Then input any name that you want to name your copy trading token. In my case, I'll just name it my name, Flosin. Create. So this token, it is the one that you'll use to connect 2 different accounts. This account, one account, the one that is on the right, has $1, the other one has $5. So we assume the $5,000 is the profitable trader. So you send him this copy trading token, and then he will use this copy trading token to link your account with yours. Or if you want people to also copy your trades, you simply give them this procedure, so that when they send you the token, you'll simply input it on your dbtraders.com website. There's a section written enter client token, so paste it over there on this section, then click add. So whatever happens on this $5,000 account will also reflect on this other small account. One thing you need to know: you cannot stake an amount that is not available in your client's account. In my case, I cannot stake anything above $1 because the client does not have that amount. The client only has $1, so I'll stake a minimum of $1 going downwards. You cannot stake an amount that is not in your account. Another thing you need to understand: whatever happens in the person that you're copying trades will also reflect in your account. Not only profits that will reflect in your account, also losses will reflect. Everything that happens on the person you're copying trades will also reflect in your account. I'll attach a link to the advantages and disadvantages of copy trading. All right, so let's head over to bot builder and make sure we have already done all the settings. So I'll do the matches and differs, and on the copy trading, make sure you switch on start copy trading. Start copy trading. So when I run the bot, you'll notice the profits will also reflect, or even a loss will also reflect on the other client's account. As you can see, there is a change on the person who is copying my trades. And that's how easy you can also let people copy your trades, and you'll make an extra income depending on how you have agreed with your clients.